All right, everyone, welcome to this Vizions digital tutorial. In this video, we're going to cover how to set up the title tag and the meta description for a website within Wix. So we're going to show within the Wix editor how to set this up properly for the normal pages. So at the beginning, we're going to talk about the normal pages that you might have, then the blog pages, and then the dynamic pages that you might have within your website. So we're going to cover this in this video. So as you can see here, this is our website, and internally, this is what it looks like for us. So we're going to cover this. If you want some training on how to set up these for SEO, so how to set up these properly for search engine optimizations to try to rank higher on Google, we have a full training covering how to set up title tags, meta descriptions, and all the other front end SEO aspects. So if you want to download those, they're going to be linked in the description below. You can access those for free. Basically, this is what it looks like. So if I go to the bottom here of our website, it's these 12 trainings here. Just taking a little time to load. Since I'm filming this video, it's taking a little longer than usual. So as you can see here, front-end SEO, link building SEO, and back-end SEO all linked in the description below, as well as all the other trainings. So let's jump into the actual tutorial here. So first thing you want to do, you want to get into your Wix editor, and then you want to go to your pages. You want to press Manage Pages. And then let's say here for the home page, we're going to start with this, which by the way, I have to do a little caveat before. The fact that you change your title tag and your meta descriptions within Wix or within any platform doesn't necessarily mean that Google will accept that modification and actually promote it within Google. So you might have to want to, when you make these modifications, you might want to upload your sitemap. So we have some trainings on that as well, I think on our other channel, but you might want to upload your sitemap. You want to do some little verifications within Google to try to show them up. But in general, the way you want to do it is just set it up here and then hope that Google decides that they want to show it up on the search results. So you would go here, let's say this is our homepage. You go to SEO Basics. When you're on SEO Basics, here you're going to have the option pretty simply here, title tag, title and search results, and then the meta description. Now we have some little recommendations. Title tags, you want to be under 50 to 60 characters, just so it doesn't cut off on the search results. So as you can see here, this obviously there's reasons to do it and not do it, but in most cases you will want to have it so that it doesn't cut off here. It doesn't stop showing on the search results. It just makes it easier for people to read it. If you have some more information, people might be confused about it. So to be tested, but important there. And same thing for the meta description. You want to be under 160 characters for the meta description. So you would go here, you would write it. So in our case, we have this three here, but you could type out whatever your business is. So roofing contractor Montreal, and then you will fill this all out with the rest of the information. And then here you might want to say, whoops, taking a little time to load. We build roofs in Montreal. And there you would have it. So you would set up these two, write them out, and you'll be good there. Then you want to make sure that this is opened. In our case, it's not because this is a mock-up website, but you want to make sure that this is open, meaning that search engines will index this page, meaning that search engines will view this page online and might rank you up here. So basically, that's why you want to have that open. So that's basically it for the main pages. Very short little tutorial. If you want some other advanced SEO features, you have structured data markup. We have videos covering these as well, and all the other robust meta tags and so on. In the trainings also, we cover those. But now for the blog pages, if you were to go here, pretty much the same principle. You would go to SEO Basics. So we have the knowledge page, which I'll show you what it looks like. So if I were to go to the bottom of our website, and we go to, I believe, here, blog. So this is our knowledge page. Basically, it's the collection of all our blogs. So learn how to optimize your service business online. So this page, how would you set up within the blog pages? Same principle. Go to SEO Basics. You could change the title tag. You could change the meta description, index the page. You could also change the URL slug. You might want to use a keyword there so that you post higher. And then here for the blog posts, you have here like this. You'll press the same thing, SEO Basics. Let's just see, it's taking a little time to load because of the video. Basically, for the blog, what Google, what the Wix is going to use, they're going to use the title of your post, and they're going to use the first 160 characters that appear within your blog. So what you want to set up, if you want to set these up internally, you'd have to within the actual blog set this up. So if I were to go here, this is one of our blogs. This is the title they're going to use for the title tag, and then they're going to use this first information. This is actually our newsletter, so it's not an actual real blog, but this is the information they're going to use first. So if you want to change that for the title tag and meta description, you're going to have to do that way. As for now, I don't believe there's any other way. So as you can see here, by default, the title tag is the same as your post title, the meta description in the first lens of your post. Customize the title tag and meta description URL in every single blog page. To do that, go to your post editor and go to SEO. So we're going to cover that a little bit later. Let me just go here. What you could also do is, as you can see here, so they're saying basically by default, the title tag is the same as your post. So your blog, the title tag and the description is the same as the information on your blog, but you could also go to your post editor and go to SEO. So let's cover that now. Let's go to our post editor. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's just go here. Taking a little time to load. Then you might want to go now here. You want to find your blog. So you go to blog. Within your blog, you're going to go to posts. And then here, let's say we want to optimize this one. We go to here, and I believe, actually, we could just go edit. And then here you would have the SEO section. So within your blog, you would go to this SEO section for every single one, and then you would add it here. So as you can see here, now this is just a mock-up website, so all these errors are appearing. In our actual website, we don't have these because we set them up properly. But here you would go. So you go to basics, and then you go title tag, you modify the title tag, you modify the meta description, you modify the URL slug you might want to have, and then you'd let search engines index the page, and that would be it. If you want the advanced features, obviously you could set all these up: structured data markup, social share, image, and so on and so forth. But in general, this is going to be the basics of it. Now, let's go back to the CMS. This is the last part of this little tutorial here. Go to the CMS pages. Actually, let me pause this and catch you guys back on the CMS. All right, so now that we're back within the editor, you would go back to your pages, manage pages. Taking a little time to load here. Manage pages. You would get down to your dynamic pages. So in this case, we have this page here. You could go to manage collection, or you could just go to the actual page. So let's just do it here, just gonna be easier. Go to SEO. And then within here, you're gonna have the option to set up the title tag and the meta description. I have a little trick for you guys if ever using dynamic pages. So as you can see here, we have it a variable one. So this title tag, instead of being the same for every single one of our location pages, we have it varying between each page. So how do we do this? Well, we have this thing called title tag here, but you would add a field. Basically, you would add here, in our case, is the title tag field. But how does this pop up? Because if you don't have this set up, it's not going to pop up. So basically, within your CMS, so if I go back here and I go manage items, basically, we created at the end here of our CMS, we created a section called title tag and a section called meta description. So basically, the title tag is going to be using this this information here to create the title tag, and then the meta description is going to be using this information here. This just makes it ensure. This just ensures that you have the proper information written, and that instead of Wix using their idea or using their little variations, so just makes it a little bit better for SEO. So that's pretty much it for this training, for this little tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe. If you want to comment and ask any questions, I'll try to answer them all within the comment section. If you want to download our trainings, we have those 12 trainings at vizionsdigital.com, or they're going to be linked in the description below. If you want to access our website and check out our services, you're more than welcome to do that as well. We do basically website design and redesign for service businesses. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.